If you've been seeing Kiwame Tokyo Kubo all over social media and wondering if it's actually worth the hype, here's my take after looking into it. First off, the presentation is impressive. The design feels premium, and it's clear they've put a lot of effort into creating a high-end experience. It definitely grabs your attention. But looks aren't everything. What really matters is whether it delivers on its promises. Overall, I'd say Kiwame Tokyo Kubo does a solid job. The quality feels good, and you can tell there's attention to detail. That said, I don't think it's some life-changing product like a few people online make it out to be. If you're someone who appreciates craftsmanship and doesn't mind paying a bit extra for a premium feel, you'll probably enjoy it. On the other hand, if you're expecting something revolutionary, you might end up disappointed because the hype sets the bar incredibly high. So, is Kiwame Tokyo Kubo worth it? I'd say yes, but with realistic expectations. It's a well-made product that offers a premium experience, but it's not magic. For me, it's a strong recommendation if it fits your budget and you're buying it for what it actually is, not because the internet told you it's perfect.